Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing your iPhone. Make sure it runs iOS 15 or later and that you have roughly 500 MB free. Next, open the App Store, search for Trusted Voice Changer app and download it. Grant microphone permission when prompted. Once done, practice switching input in Control Center if the app needs it. This ensures live capture. This gets you ready to route audio, and that routing is the step that makes live voice change possible. Now configure live routing inside the app. Pick live or microphone mode and choose a preset voice that suits your goal, because different presets use different filters and latency. Make sure the sample rate is 44. 1 kHz or matches the app's recommended setting to avoid glitches, and monitor output with wired headphones to prevent feedback. Also enable background audio and any microphone isolation options, so the app can process audio in real time while you use other apps. To complete the setup, open the target app, for example a call, streaming, or meeting app, and select your voice changer as the microphone input. Then run a short test call so you hear how you sound. If you notice latency, close unneeded apps or lower effect quality, because CPU load affects real-time processing. If audio fails, verify microphone permissions, repair or reconnect any Lightning or Bluetooth mic, and restart the voice app or iPhone. That single restart often resolves routing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.